Hi friends, this is Gautam. In this video tutorial, I am going to discuss about CCNA tricky questions. We can see. So this is the example scenario. Here I am using two Cisco router and one layer 2 switch. So layer 2 switch is just like plug and play. There is no configuration on layer 2 switch. So R1 router connecting towards layer 2 switch, I am using 192.168.100.0/24 network. In R2 router connecting towards the layer 2 switch, I am using 172.16.0.0/24 network. So now IP routing has been disabled on both R1 router and R2 router. So both router will works like host machine. So now ping from R1 to R2. So if the ping is successful means anyone can explain me how it works. So from R1 to R2 it will be pinging or not. If it will be pinging means anyone can explain me how it works. So this lab you can try it in GNS3 or real lab or whatever it is. So answer for this question we will discuss on next video session. So if you find the answer means just ping me in that below comment section, or you can send me mail to me fgowthamraj1@gmail.com. So this is my YouTube channel name. So I have two YouTube channel names. So you have to give F Gowthamraj space F or Gowthamraj space F. So both YouTube channel name and Facebook pages CCNA tutorials. So you find out the answer means send me your answer to my mail ID fgowthamraj1@gmail.com. So if you have any questions or any doubts, you can ping me this email ID. Okay friends, thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video, just share to your friends and subscribe it and give me comments. Thank you.